So as in previous video we have covered encoder, so we have to cover decoder as well, because something coded will become to our encoder, then we will get some coded output of 2-bit, then the 2-bit will go to decoder and we will get our output. So this is the process, and we are dealing with our 2:4 decoder, so 2 are input and 4 are our outputs. Fine. So let's discuss how it is working. So we will write first truth table, because you have to understand the working, then truth table is the best thing. So our inputs are 2, so D1 and D2 is our inputs, and here I am using opposite of previous video, like I have written 4 here then 1 here. So always remember, now code will be like this, one hot coding will be like this from 1. Okay, so if you are writing your way, either from little, this is big Indian, little Indian, because I am starting from LSB here. See, it is LSB, it is MSB, and if you are using big Indian, then MSB will be here, so you have to write 001. So always follow that. Okay, so here is our LSB. So first is our 00, then 10, then 01, and then 11. Otherwise it will be opposite. Okay, here will be 10 and here will be 0, and this is our cases. Okay, and if some XX or another input came, so our case will be XXX. So we have to write this in our default. Okay, so this is our input, so let's run some simulation on this one. 01, some theoretical simulation. So let's change the pin for this one. Okay, so I have given 01, so at 01 the output will be 0010. So 0010 should be out. So we are expecting this is our input and this is our output. Okay, this thing we have to code. So this is the working. Now without any delay, let's start. So here is our module of decoder. Okay. Module decoder. So our output is, inputs are our D1 and D2, and our output is 1, 2, 3 and 4 are our outputs. So input is by default via D1 and D2, and output is our reach, and that is our O1, O2, O3 and O4. So in this we will write always, this is trigger, this is star, all inputs, string and begin, and here we are using case, then we are using concatenation of D1 and D2. Okay, so let's write thing. So first is our 00, second is our 10, because
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
D1, D2, then our 01, and then is our, so you can interchange it, there is no problem. So what is our output? So in simulation I have written little different, so I will write here like this, so you can have variations of, you can write like this also. Okay, we have completed. Now what is our output? This is 10000. Now another is our 0100, then another is our 0010, and last is our 0001. Okay, so never forget default. So for any default, our output is 1 dB x x x x. Fine. And case, and this begin and then end, and lastly end module. So let's see this if there is any mistake, and you can also make a screenshot for this one if you want. Now let's write our test bench. So TB for decoder. I should have not used this one, but we are not focusing on headings, so more module TB. Range is our output in our module, and in this we will writing our input D1 and D2, and wire is our input in our RTL code, and wire is our output in our test bench. Okay, so never forget these basic things. Now decoder, decode one, and always see first what is the output. So it is D1 D2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so same thing, D1 D2 O1 O2 O3 and O4. So this is our name position instruction, so you should be thorough with our whatever you are naming. Now initial, begin. So in this we will reuse our display. So our input D1 equal to 1, D2 equal to our 0, and dollar O4, let's say %B, then O3 equal to %B, then O2 equal to %B, and O1 equal to %B, and lastly O4, O2, O3, O2 and O1. So in this way you will write display when you are writing in EDA. Okay. Display will be same, only output will be changing. 10 XX you can also give. So you can write multiple cases like this, and end module. So let's see code if it is right or wrong. So this is a simple code I have written, display here, and some inputs are there. Okay, so in this way you can code this. Then I will just quickly simulate this for you. So let's simulate this code. Till then I will explain you what I have written here. Here I have given a single output as 1 1 1 1, and you can also write that thing, but more specify that y1 y2 y3 y4 is also 0 and 1. Not only specifying 1 it will work, it is not a like inaccurate code. For interview it is good, but if you are writing something, then you should also prepare for getting a wrong answer. So here if y0 is 1, so you have not specified y1 y2 y3, so you can initialize this like this, then only it will work. If you are not initializing this, then it may give you x or z value. Okay, now, so this is your test bench, similar test bench I have already explained you in our theory. So yeah, so let's see. So this is a two table we only wanted. So yeah, so thank you.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.